can't complain. Wave. Everything is straight. Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue. That's what she say. She look good. She a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I'm patting my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010, yeah, LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it, fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit, got a quick lit on a crash course from the tattered garment to the tabloid. Spoke how I live it into existence. Might be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures. But like nobody could with this. I'm a flight risk. I play among the stars in the Hollywood Hill, the space station couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it. Wave. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave where everything I say turn into the real thing. I tell her run it up, cause you know it ain't a thing. We made it out the slums with the words on the page. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave where everything I'm saying turn into the real thing. I've been living like I'm famous. Like I don't show my face. I'm jumping on the stage like I'm living in a daydream. Lost in imagination. She only want me when she faded. She quick to tell me I'm a favorite. She ain't told no lie, she love it when I catch my cadence. She gone off the deep end, pull up every weekend. I hate to let her down, but I'm in a fast life, so you never slowing me down. Heart rate jumping like you don't sleep well. How you switch up, you always help me down. Wonder why I turn into a cold of me now. It could be worse, right? I got where I'm at without no work-life balance. You tell me that it's love, but I'm knowing that it's malice. Squad with me, God, cut his furnace.
I'm glad I did, because I ain't gonna lie, I was a little skeptical myself, because even when I talk to people that was there, they act like they don't know what I'm talking about. Like, oh, y'all just don't want to know.
What's this? Are we people drive through this or the side of this? This is like Gran Turismo. They call it one of those caves going through it, one of those tunnels, there'll be a tunnel going through it.
Yeah.
Damn. Oh, damn. I've seen a real thing in real life. I'm saying. Here we go. Just like it, just like it.
Oh man, like so many people just not even gonna believe us. You know, all the illegalities you can just commit of this. Create. I'd create illegalities. They'd be like, hey, you cannot do that.
Who said?
Who said there was nobody around? I had no idea. Well, it's illegal now. Because I felt like they were intelligent enough that every time we picked up a phone or said phone, they kind of like fell back far and fast. Because it's like I would say, Cardo, get the phone, and they would drop back. Cardo, get your camera, get your camera. And it's like they would drop back. So it's like there was some sort of intelligence at some point.
So we're doing about 95, and this thing catches up to us within 5 to 10 seconds. And I'm like, nah, no way this thing is catching up to us like this.
But it never passed us.
But it never passed us.
Every time it got close, I'm like, get the camera.
But it kept getting really close. And then
it was literally for multiple times that I had to see that thing and question it and say, what is that? What is that? What? Wait. And I remember thinking that it was somebody that I thought it was somebody following us from the gas station. I remember thinking we just filled up. We wanted to get through the night, so we filled up.
It's so nice. They thought we filled up and hit them up a redneck spot, and somebody was chasing us from some little redneck spot.
Okay, so yeah, I didn't want to say it like that, but pretty much, I don't know. I mean, I thought I saw a car behind us. We had just left the gas station. I thought I saw the car, but it kept, like, I thought it kept cutting its lights off. But maybe it was just disappearing now. And then I'm like, oh, whoever this is, they playing games. Oh, nah, I don't like that. So I'm paying attention now, and I'm watching back there, and I see the lights go off again, and I'm like, okay, nah, they bugging right now. And then I'm thinking, like, are they playing? Basically, yeah, that was crazy.